Hello guys, I am DA and welcome to Divya Agrawal Tech. Today I am going to show you all how to build different type of charts in Tableau. So I will begin with bar chart. So let's see how a bar chart look like. You are seeing a GIF in my screen representing bar chart. So what is a bar chart? A bar chart or a bar graph is a chart or graph that presents categorical data with rectangular bars with height or length proportional to the value that they represent. A vertical bar chart is sometimes called a column chart. So let's jump into Tableau and build bar chart. For building bar chart, I have taken sample superstore dataset and taken orders table in the Tableau. So I will drag a category to columns. Then I will drag profit to rows. So the bar chart is ready. For making it little more attractive, let's use color. So category to color and let's put on the labels. Here is text. So the bar chart is ready. I have named the sheet as bar chart. Thank you guys.
In order to make sure you don't miss my future videos, hit subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified, and lastly, please share this video with others. It's a great way to support my channel and the work I do.